Alright, the Northern Mariana Islands. We're back in Micronesia. It also shares the same archipelago as Guam. Anyway, the flag. Alright, next you want to draw a symbol. It kind of has like sea plants on it. It's like purple and it has like sea leaves on it. Let me show you it. Alright, the only colors you need are brown, blue, red, a little bit of purple, and green. Let's start off with the symbol. It's a bunch of different colors. Let's go to drawing it. Alright, I forgot to mention that you could have used a little bit of pencil sketch for the gray because it's like a rock here. Because this is near the sea. Alright, next you want to do the blue. It's blue. Oh wait, that's purple. Sorry. It's blue around the whole entire thing. It's also blue in here. Let's get to drawing it. Alright, there's the flag of the Northern Mariana Islands. The capital is Saipan. Alright, the governor is Ralph Torres. He is a Republican. Now, the Northern Mariana Islands are part of Micronesia, and they are an unincorporated, organized Commonwealth territory. Yes, they are a Commonwealth territory. And in 1975, they had the option for full independence, but decided to stick with the U.S. And they were once part of the Trust Territory of the Pacific Islands, which included the Federated States of Micronesia, Palau, and the Marshall Islands. They actually did want to join Guam like 4 times, but Guam was like, nah, you do your own thing. They do share the same archipelago as Guam. And here's some like geography about the Northern Mariana Islands. The northern part of the islands are volcanic and the south is limestone, as they are on the Ring of Fire. They are near Japan. So yeah. Alright, it was incorporated on November 4th, 1986. It was going to be in 1975, but they decided to stick with the US. And prior to becoming a territory, they were under Japanese rule. It was occupied by Japan. Then during World War II, it was called the Battle of Saipan. The U.S. took it over. And prior to that, they were under German rule, part of the German colonial empire. And prior to that, they were under Spanish rule, but the Spanish sold the islands to the Germans. So they didn't really keep it for that long. And this was our most recent territory. The most recent territory to become a territory. They also speak the languages of Chamorro and Carolinian, and it originated in these islands along with Guam. Anyway, the national bird is the Mariana fruit dove. The national flower is the plumeria. And the national animal is the national bird. Sorry, there is no national animal. Sorry. Anyway, now for the history of the Northern Mariana Islands. And that's about it. Stay tuned. Puerto Rico is next.